Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this short tutorial video, I will show you how to create a new Snapchat account. Just watch this video to the end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So, let's get started. So friends, first open Snapchat from your mobile. Then tap on the sign up button. Now type your name. I will set a name for mine. After that, tap on the agree and continue button. Now select your date of birth. I will set for mine. Now tap on the continue button. Here it is showing my Snapchat username. You can change your username if you want. I won't change it, so I will tap on the continue button. Finally, set your Snapchat password. Use strong password. I will set a password for mine. After that, tap on the continue button. Now set your email. Then tap on the continue button. It almost done. Now here you can add some mutual friends if you want. I won't add them, so I will tap skip button. After that, tap on the continue button. Now here you can select your Bitmoji. I won't save it, so I will tap on the skip button. Finally, it's successfully done. So friends, if it helps to you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching for this video.